Good morning. Today we are going to know about how the scanning session is going to take place. So actually, in scanning session, we are going to converting the original flip-flop to the scannable flip-flop. So by appending the mux to it. So this is an original flip-flop. So by appending the mux at the D input, so we will get a controllability of this one. So here, this is the D input data path. This path is data path. This path, it is a scan path. Scan path. So this can be controlled with the help of scan enable pin. This one, scan enable. When scan enable is one, scan enable is one. So this scan input is going to be passed through this D flip flop. When scan enable is zero, so actual data input is passed through this D flip flop. So to shift and shift out, we need a clock pulse here. So this is a conversion of normal flip flop to the scannable flip flop. It can be done by adding a multiplexer over there. Appending the multiplexer to the normal flip flop so that we will get two extra pins, that is scan enable and scan input. And next, after appending the multiplexer, so we can able to control the flow of data, scan data for shifting and also the normal data. So normal data in when scan enable is zero, so we are going to make the functional mode. So in functional mode, actual functional inputs are going to pass through the flip flop. So next one, yeah, you see here, we have a scan input, this red color line scan input. So whenever the scan enable is one, so this scan input is passed through here. It is going to shift the data, scan input and scan output. So whenever the scan enable is zero, so the functional inputs, D input is passed like this. The functional input is passed through the circuit. So it will accept the functional input, primary inputs, and it will give the output. So actually when scan enable is zero, we are taking the functional input, that is the capture operation. When scan enable is one, we are shifting the data, that is shift operation. So scan enable is one, shift operation. Scan enable is zero, we are going to take the capture operation. The capture operation, primary inputs, functional inputs is going to be passed. And when scan enable is one, during the shift operation, we are going to shift the data, whatever we want to move into the flops scan chain. So that's all about the scan insertion.